You're welcome back to my channel. If you eat eggs every day, here is what will happen in your body. You'll increase your muscles mass. It's one of the most amino acids, complete protein foods you can find. One egg provides between 6 and 7 grams of protein. Improve your cardiovascular health. Studies shown that eating between 3 and 5 eggs a day promote heart health as their dietary. Cholesterol is good for the body. You lose weight, the high protein content of eggs. Satiety and reduce craving. By including eggs in your daily meals, you will be able to better control your appetite. Your vision will improve. Eggs contain powerful antioxidant for your eyes, such as intine and zeaxanthin. Please, if you're enjoying this video, so subscribe, like, and share. However, if you're eating rice daily, that is what will happen to you. Rice is a rich source of carbohydrates, the body's main fuel source, and carbohydrates can keep you energized and satisfied, and are important for fueling exercise. Brown rice especially is an excellent source of many nutrients, including fiber, manganese, selenium, magnesium, and B vitamins. So rice is very essential for human health. Please subscribe for more informative content.